Breakfast at the hotel. Good morning, Mrs. Cooper. Did you sleep well?
Good morning. Yes, thank you. Very well.
Great to hear. Would you like some breakfast?
Yes, I'm very hungry today.
Wonderful. What is your room number, please?
303.
One moment. Yes, breakfast is included.
Super, thank you. Is it a buffet?
Yes, it is. It's over there, next to the big windows.
What do you have?
We have toast, croissants, cereal, cheese, and fruit. Everything is there.
And drinks?
Of course, coffee, tea, orange juice, and hot chocolate.
Perfect. Can I take 2 croissants?
Of course, take as much as you like.
Thank you. Do you have yogurt?
Yes, plain and with fruit. It's in the small fridge.
Great. And are there eggs?
Yes, we have boiled eggs and scrambled eggs.
I'll try the scrambled eggs then.
Good choice.
Can I sit where I want?
Yes, all the tables are free.
Then I'll take the table by the window. I like the morning light.
Good idea. The sun is shining today.
Do you have butter?
Yes, right next to the jam and the honey.
Ah, perfect. And if I want more juice?
Just help yourself. The pitcher is over there.
Thank you. What time is breakfast until?
Until 10 a.m., so you still have plenty of time.
Super. This is my first breakfast in the United States.
Then welcome. Do you like it?
Yes, very much. The bread is really delicious.
It's fresh from the bakery this morning.
I can tell. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Thank you. You're very kind. Enjoy your meal, Mrs. Cooper.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Breakfast at the hotel.
The air conditioner is broken.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Hello. Yes, I have a small problem in my room.
Oh, what's wrong?
The air conditioning isn't working.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What is your room number?
307 on the 3rd floor.
Is it very warm in the room?
Yes, very warm. I can't sleep.
I understand. Did you try turning it off and on again?
Yes, many times, but nothing happens.
Is there a light or a sound?
No, nothing at all. It's completely off.
Okay, I'll call our technician right away.
Can he come today?
Yes, he is already in the hotel.
Great, thank you.
When did you notice the problem?
Last night. It wasn't working then either.
Okay, would you like a fan for now?
Oh, yes, that would be great.
No problem. I'll bring one to you right away.
Perfect, thank you.
The technician will look at it soon.
Can he fix it?
Yes, hopefully. If not, we will give you a new one tomorrow.
And if it can't be fixed?
Then, of course, we will give you another room.
Thank you, that's very nice.
Of course. We want you to be comfortable.
I see that. Should I wait in the room?
Yes, please stay there. We will come soon.
Thanks for your help.
No problem. Have a nice day. even if it's hot.
Thanks. The fan will help. See you soon.
Lost suitcase at the airport.
Hello, do you work here?
Hello. Yes, I'm with baggage services. Do you have a problem?
Yes, I've lost my suitcase.
Oh, I see. Where did you fly from?
From Rome this morning.
And you just arrived in New York.
Exactly. About an hour ago.
Did you wait at the baggage claim?
Yes, but my suitcase never came.
Do you have your baggage claim ticket?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. What is your name?
Henry Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. What color is your suitcase?
It's black with a small yellow tag.
Is it big or small?
It's small.
Is there anything on the tag?
Yes, my name and my phone number.
Perfect. I'll check the computer. One moment, please.
Thank you. I hope it's not gone.
Don't worry. Here it is. Your suitcase is still in Rome.
Oh, so what do I do now?
No problem. It will arrive in New York tomorrow.
Are you sure?
Yes, and we will deliver it directly to your hotel.
Great. I'm staying at the Hotel Moon.
Okay, I'll write Hotel Moon. Do I have to come back to the airport?
No, we will call you when the suitcase is here. Thank you so much. That's very kind.
You're welcome. Do you need anything for tonight?
Yes, I don't even have a toothbrush.
There's a shop over there on the right with everything you need.
Perfect. Thanks again.
Your suitcase is just taking a one-day vacation in Rome.
Yes, it's luckier than I am.
Have a good evening, Mr. Smith, and a great stay in New York.
Thank you. See you soon, hopefully with my suitcase.
Ordering a taxi at the hotel.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning. Yes, please. I need a taxi.
No problem. For right now?
Yes, as soon as possible.
Where are you going?
To Grand Central Station.
Okay. Do you have a train to catch?
Yes, at 10 o'clock.
It's 8:45 now. You have time, but there's a lot of traffic today.
Oh no, will I still make it?
Yes, if the taxi comes soon, I'll call right away.
Thank you so much.
You're in room 203, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Do you have luggage?
Yes, one big suitcase and a backpack.
Okay, I'll order a large taxi.
Super, thank you.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I'm going to Chicago to visit my family.
How nice. The taxi will be here in 10 to 15 minutes.
Perfect. Can I wait in the lobby?
Of course. Make yourself comfortable.
Thanks. Is there a coffee machine here?
Yes, to the left of the elevator.
Great. I need one now.
Coffee and travel always go together.
True. Can I pay with the credit card?
Yes, I'll tell the driver.
Great. Thanks for everything.
No problem. My pleasure. Ah, the taxi is already here.
Really? That was fast.
It's waiting outside in front of the hotel.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a good trip and a nice day.
Thanks. You have a nice day too.
Buying a gift.
Hello. Can I help you?
Hello. Yes, please. I'm looking for a gift.
Sure. Who is it for?
For my sister.
Ah, nice. Is it her birthday?
Yes, exactly. She's turning 20.
What does she like?
She likes simple and beautiful things.
Then maybe a scented candle? They are very popular.
Oh, yes. That sounds good.
Look here. We have lavender, vanilla, or orange.
The vanilla smells very good.
Would you like to smell it?
Yes, please. Ooh, I like that.
Great. It costs $12.
Okay, I'll take it.
Would you like anything else? Maybe a small bracelet? This one is silver and very simple.
That looks nice. How much is it?
$20.
Okay, I'll take that too.
Very good choice. Should I gift wrap it for you?
Yes, please.
Are you paying with card or cash?
With a card, please.
Okay, just tap or insert it here. All right, you're all set. Here is your receipt and the gift.
Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Happy birthday to your sister.
Thanks. I hope she likes it.
I'm sure she will. Have a nice day.
Thanks. You too. Goodbye.